Parade of Lights is an awesome outdoor Christmas-themed winter parade, basically. Celebration of Christmas, and usually any proceeds from that night will get donated to the local healthcare facilities in honor of kids in our community to help them somehow.
We're going to donate the funds back to the Lloydminster Health Foundation, and through them we're going to be purchasing equipment that reduces wait times in our emergency room.
One of the things that we always want to do is we want to give timely care, good care here in Lloyd. And this donation is actually going to enable us to do that, is to be able to give people fantastic quality care, reduce our waiting times, and also prevent people from having to go to the city for treatment that they could otherwise receive here.
It makes us feel good to know that we can make some kind of difference, you know, if it's a small difference in purchasing some kind of equipment for our hospital. Last year we were able to raise over $20,000 to purchase the Billy blankets for our hospital, and we're proud to put this money towards equipment that will make a difference in our hospital.
It's an amazing night. It's so cool to see everybody together, and really the ultimate outcome of that night on top of the celebration is the funds raised go to improving healthcare for the little ones in our community. So it's absolutely incredible. The community's generosity is unmatched. They always come through for us, for the hospital, for all healthcare.
When we started the Parade of Lights, we didn't expect it to get to the level it is right now. We had multiple discussions around, you know, where are we going to have it, and right from year one we've been having it downtown Lloyd, and the City of Lloydminster has been fantastic to work with, and we're excited to partner with the Lloyd Exhibition Association to put this event on.
Lloydminster Exhibition Association ourselves is a nonprofit, community-based organization. All we do here with our events and activities do support this whole region in one form or other. Very nice to be able to give back and support this particular event with providing some facilities, our parking area, and starting and finishing point for the actual Parade of Lights.
So Boundary Ford, this is their second year donating to the Lloydminster Parade of Lights, and I am very proud to announce that they have donated another $20,000 to this event, which makes me super excited. It's been a fantastic partnership with them, and we couldn't do without this community. It's all the businesses that have stepped up to the plate this year certainly has made it worth doing. You know, when you see you got that backing, it helps, and for Boundary Ford to do this once again is amazing.
This was something that we always planned, we're always excited to be part of. It's a festive time of year, and we're always excited to give back whenever we can. Seeing the smile on the kids' faces, it was an absolute no-brainer that we were going to step up to the plate again this year and be the primary or platinum sponsor for the parade. Seeing the Parade of Lights grow over the last few years and seeing what people have brought to the table, and seeing what different companies and organizations and individuals on their own have done to be able to help commit to this wonderful cause, you can see how much of an effect it has on our community, and it will be lasting.
The Parade of Lights was always designed around children and you know, bringing something for them to look at in the evenings, and for families, you know, for the kids being able to come out and bundle up in their toques and mittens and go stand on downtown Lloydminster and watch the Parade of Lights is something extraordinary to see. And I know when I turn onto the highway and look at all the people that have came out to the Parade of Lights, it makes me feel good that the community enjoys this event.
Christmas is a time of giving than taking. This is a great time to just take that extra step to be part of Parade of Lights, provide some support, and help our health region improve.
Christmas is all about family. It's all about our kids. It's all about our children and the youth of our community. It's such a wonderful time of year. We all want to get out and support them. This is just a small way that we can get out to help them and to help give back and have everyone enjoy this wonderful event.
Please, we invite the entire community to come join us on Thursday, December 20th at the Lloydminster Exhibition Grounds and surrounding Parade Trail. It'll be an awesome night, lots of shiny lights, and we're totally excited, so please come join us.
On behalf of Boundary Ford, we would like to wish you and your family a Merry Christmas.
On behalf of all of us at the Foundation, thank you very much to the entire community for all your support in 2018. We wish you all a very Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, and Happy New Year.
So wishing you all a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
On behalf of Lloydminster Agricultural Exhibition Association, we wish the whole community and region a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
From our family to yours, everybody at the Lloydminster Exhibition Association and the Lloydminster Parade of Lights, we would like to wish everybody a Merry Christmas. Thank you for coming out to the 4th Annual Lloydminster Parade of Lights, and we look forward to seeing you next year.